In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Afterpay on Shein. If you want to split your Shein purchase into smaller payments, this is a simple option to use. I'll walk you through the process from adding items to your bag all the way to confirming your first payment so you know exactly what to expect before you place the order. To get started, open Shein and browse for the items you want to buy. As you shop, select the size, color, or any other required options for each product, then tap Add to Bag. Keep adding the items you want until your order total falls between $1 and $1,000. That range is important because your purchase needs to stay within it in order to qualify for this payment method. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly review your bag and make sure you've chosen the correct variations and quantities. Once everything looks right, go to your shopping bag and tap Checkout. This will take you to the order review and payment area where you'll be able to enter shipping details if needed and choose how you want to pay. Take a moment here to double check your order total, since this is the amount that will be divided into installments. In the payment method section, choose Afterpay as your payment option. When you select it, you'll be redirected to the Afterpay portal to continue the setup. This is normal, so don't worry if the screen changes or opens a separate login page. At that point, log into your existing Afterpay account if you already have one. If you're new to Afterpay, you can complete the sign-up process directly from that portal. Just follow the on-screen prompts carefully and make sure the information you enter is accurate so your payment plan can be processed smoothly. After you're signed in, review the payment plan shown on the screen. Afterpay will typically split the cost into 4 equal installments paid over 6 weeks. You'll be able to see what you're paying today and what the upcoming payments will look like, which helps you confirm that the schedule works for you before you continue. When everything looks good, place the order to finish the purchase. Keep in mind that your first installment will be charged immediately at checkout, so be sure you're ready for that charge before confirming, and that's it. Once your order goes through, you've successfully used Afterpay on Shein.